Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a retractable garden hose by a company called Bietor. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the box. And the hose length is a super long 98.5 feet long. So you got lots of coverage throughout your yard. So first off, you'll notice on the one side here, you have a leader hose. The leader hose itself is 6.5 feet long. And then on the other side, you have where it is the retractable hose here. And this hose is 92 feet long. Simply pull it out and you're good to go. And then once you stop, it will go ahead and lock in position. When you're ready to retract it, just pull it slightly out and then it will go ahead and start going back in and retracting for you. Now, you'll notice all the fittings here. They are made out of copper, so you don't have any plastic pieces that can break and leak on you, which is really important for when it is outside. As far as moving the unit itself, it's super easy. It does have this handle that you can pick it up and carry it around, but it does come with an attachment, so you can go ahead and attach this to the side of your house, and it includes all the hardware to do that. Now, simply pull up on the top part, and this will slide into position. Now, one of the nice things about this attachment here is it allows you to rotate this 180 degrees. So if you have this kind of mounted between your, like on the side of your house, and you want to have it facing towards your backyard, you can do that. You can pull it forward straight, so you can go straight out, or you can move it to the other side of your front yard. It's very flexible. But then once again, if you want to take this and move it to a different position, simply just remove this piece right here. This stays attached to your house, and you are good to go to carry it off and around. Now, obviously, it tells you how to operate it via the instruction manual that is included. They also will include this little nozzle here that has all the different modes, like the soaker, the mist, the flat, the center, the jet, the shower, etc. So that way you can water your plants super easy or utilize any tasks that you need to do. So now, most importantly, the hose is made of a nice thick rubber, so it's not easy to poke any holes into it. It also helps with the tangling. As far as water pressure, as you notice, it is not really huge, so that means it can have stronger pressure when you are watering your yard. You don't have to worry about weak pressure. So if you are in the market for a retractable garden hose, I totally think this one is worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do take one to respond. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.